right there. Yeah, definitely. Let's go. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video about the garage where I am right now. Super hot outside. I have company. That's my little dog Mia, so she's gonna be helping us today. As I mentioned to you guys last vlog, we are going to clean the garage. The first thing I need to do is clean everything up. Yeah, as you guys saw, if you didn't watch, make sure to watch my last video because I tried to fit the truck very angel, but we're gonna do that today if everything goes well, right? But what I have to do basically, I have to get rid of all those stuff. Mainly is my snowblower, which is sitting here for like a month and a half. I will try to get rid of all that shelves, and then we're gonna try to fit the truck right here, all right? So I will put the camera there, I will work on it. We're gonna see what we can do. So there you go. For you guys, it's gonna be fast because I'm gonna time lapse everything. So let's get this done. That we complain about the weather that it's super cold, but dude, it is hot, so we need it. Okay, halfway through it. It has nothing to do with cars, but I just want to show you guys my snowblower. So there we go. It's a Craftsman. My dog's mad. I don't know why, dude. What happened? And basically what I have to do, I have to put everything together. Came in this huge box. Man, I don't know. Another thing is when you move to a new place, you have so many boxes, So it should be a really simple setup. Just put it together. Of course, I'm not gonna use it. I just wanna get, put it together, make sure that everything's fine. It came with everything I needed, and then I will store it in some place here that we're gonna figure out. All right. Just to give you, if you're looking for a snowblower, it's not a review. It's just saying that I got and I need to put together. All right. So guys, I'm almost done. Let me show you guys. That's basically the space. Now it's clean. I still have a couple of things to do. I want to take care of that wall because I'm getting water there, so I have mold going there. But I bought some stuff to take care of the wall. We should be fine. Now the challenge is gonna be trying to feed all my yard stuff, my snowblower and my power wash machine in here with the truck, and also my wife's car, which is normally here. Here where I'm living, we have a problem that I need to keep the trash inside of the garage, or otherwise we're gonna get like raccoons, even bears, dude. Yeah, even bears. We can get bears over here. So right now the trash, I try to keep the trash as empty as possible. This week it's recycling, so that's why you see a lot of plastic in there, paper. And I also, let me show you guys, I have all those boxes to get rid of it. So the recycling is coming on Friday, so we should be good to go. I'm gonna have more space, but just to give you guys an update. And then my lawnmower has to be there. Unfortunately, I don't have a shed, so my lawnmower has to be there because right now it's full season for lawnmower. If you live in Jersey or PA, you know what I'm talking about. Has been raining for the last 2 weeks, which is crazy. And then the grass grows so fast. And here's the snowblower, fully assembled. It's gonna make my life easier during the winter. But without further ado, I'm gonna try to feed the truck here, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Then once the truck is in, if it fits, I don't think it's gonna fit though, because I have to remove that shelf, but we'll see. Let's try, first try, all right? Bear with me. Oh, first attempt. Oh crap, I got one more box. Never ends. I just noticed my antenna. I think I hit it. Probably I did, yeah. My bad. Anyway, I have this much space here, and I have to park before this thing here because the sensor is not gonna let me close the door. It seems to fit, but I don't think it will fit with the shelf in there. And I just realized one thing. If I remove the shelf, you see here there are two shelves, and one's there and the other one is here. I don't think it makes sense if I remove that one because it's still gonna hit the tailgate. I'll try to back up a little bit more, and let's see. I don't think that's gonna work though. Just a little bit more. The camera is not showing me enough. Let's see. Still got a space, a little bit of space. Let's see here. Wow, dude, it's not gonna close. Let's try a little bit more, and then I might. I don't know. Oh, my visor is dying. Let's try one more time, Mia. All right. The good thing though is I think I can put my snowblower here. I have enough space. Wow, that's close. That's super close. Let's see if I got space here to close it. Nope. It's not gonna close. You see here, you can see the mark of the door right there. Yeah, definitely. If I remove the shelf, we should be able to back up the difference. But with the shelf, it's not gonna work. Oh, I tried it. It didn't work. Yeah, unfortunately, it didn't work. But if you guys, as you guys can see, it's really close. And I have those, like, I mean, we have, let's say I have a good 1.5 feet. 1.5 feet of the truck is gonna be tight. It's gonna fit. It's gonna fit, but it's gonna be super tight. Super tight. But it is what it is. I mean, I still have a plenty of space. Definitely. If there's no shelves there, yeah, the truck will fit. And it will fit perfect. And I still have room to do stuff if I need to. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, one more thing before we're done. I wanted this for a while. This is the Dynamics. Those are the low beams. I didn't get the high beam, to be honest. I don't think I would use it. And I'd rather save the money for a bar light. It's not that I don't like it. I don't know, sometimes I'm afraid that it's not gonna be bright enough, and where I'm living now, it's really dark at night. I use the high beams a lot. But because I use a lot, but at the same time I don't use a lot. Does that make sense? But anyway, I got the low beams. I'll save the money from the high beams for the bar light. Dynamics. Here we go. That's the box. That's everything came in the box. Got some stickers. Dynamics. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Thank you note saying thank you for purchase, 3-year warranty. And then you have the box itself, which come like this. Bada bang! Wow, it's nice. It's really nice. So should be a really easy installation, a plug and play thing. And that's gonna be next video. All right. So that's, again, it's just the low beams. I didn't get the high beams. I'll talk about price and stuff next video. So unfortunately the truck didn't fit, but we're gonna make fit. And the most important thing for me is that I have space to work on the truck. Again, I'm not a professional. I never had interest in work on my cars because where I came from it was really hard anyway. But I'm willing to learn, and that's the key. If we're willing to learn, and if you guys can give me the support, I really appreciate that. And I'm glad to take you guys with me. So be patient, and we're gonna learn together. And I just wanna say thank you for your support. If you are here for the first time, subscribe. If you're not following me Instagram, follow me Instagram. I'll leave it here on my Instagram. If you want to have any questions, I really appreciate your guys' comments in my last video. I try to reply as much as I can. Sometimes it takes me a while because work stuff and all the kind of stuff going on at the same time. But I read all the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So unfortunately it didn't fit it, but we're gonna make fit it. So again, thank you so much for your support. Please give me a thumbs up. That means a lot to me. It means you guys are having fun with the content. And I hope to see you guys next video. And don't forget, enjoy your life.